How to make money using Venmo as a small business. So first of all, open your application, and then from here you'll need to now create a business account for your small business. So simply tap on sign up, and then from here tap on business, tap on continue, and then you can tap on create your business profile. You need to add in your number, tap on send code, and then verify it with an OTP. A OTP will be sent to you. Simply paste that code in here, and like that you'll be verified. And then from there you'll be asked further queries about your business and also your legal documents. Simply fill that up, and then from there you'll be able to create yourself a business account. So after doing that, now Venmo business profile will actually allow you to tap into Venmo's massive social feed to drive exposure and generate revenue to your business. And also there would be the option of tap to pay for your small business. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.